Today, the biggest need or the biggest reason that you guys should be thinking about, the direction you should be thinking about, is how do you in your organization reevaluate the molds that you use to think about new technology.
It's a pleasure to kick this off with the future of healthcare in India 2047. You do lay out a vision for the future, which then makes you think about what you want to do today.
All of the doctors will now have to become extremely tech savvy. We are expecting that they will have digital avatars of themselves.
Artificial intelligence, I think hundreds and hundreds of projects are being funded by DBT, ICMR and all those things on artificial intelligence. But the meaningful algorithms are coming very few. And that's why there is a more interaction between the technologists, AI experts and the healthcare professional is important.
In very near future, claims also interoperable, services also interoperable, information also interoperable. Through Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, we identify different stakeholders. We ask them to follow the same standards and protocol and make their services interoperable.
There's so much uplift in the economy that is expected, a 26 trillion economy. We are almost a 4 billion economy, almost. The next 25 years is going to be very interesting. I'm going to be asking the first question to the Pitama of the Indian pharma, I would like to call Mr. Sudarshan Jain. Sir, how do you see the future of Indian healthcare evolving in this Amrit Kal period?
India has got strategic scale and great advantage in the pharma industry. We have got depth and scale as far as this industry is concerned. All of us have to play a role to achieve the vision of the Indian industry. Amrit Kal, the way we put it, we should be among top number one in terms of volume in the world and among top 5 in value as far as going forward. Current turnover is $50 billion. Number of studies we have done, we should be around $400 billion at the end of 2047. 10 products emerging from India every year. That's the vision which we have set.
Looking at India and the way the transformation has happened, I envisage India which is a technology-driven, knowledge-driven, where the treatment or the health and wellness is democratized, which is data-driven, personalized, outcome-based, and also cost-effective.
What we are going through is thanks to our government who are looking at Amrit Kal, which is such a good vision of 25 years, which we usually didn't see before, and therefore the vision is making this health happen in our country. At the same time, we also see that the amount of learning we had in the COVID period is huge. This will act as a great multiplier of what we want to achieve in 25 years.
Digital is not just redefining things in India, it's redefining things globally. Any country that is not rethinking their health strategy basis what we have seen in last 10-15 years, not just during COVID, will be challenged in the future. You look at US, you look at Europe, I think everybody is going through that phase. And the reason is a lot of context has changed. The facts have changed, the resource deployment has changed. So in my head, India is actually on an advantage because otherwise we would never catch up and provide healthcare to 1.4 billion people. It's never going to happen.
The whole way the pharma can rethink about whole this, moving away from a patient support program to delivering other therapies, which may be not necessarily pills. They may be devices, they may be apps, they may be algorithms, they may be predictive algorithms. Stuff like that is what pharma companies can really contribute to at scale.
I think pharma companies should really start working towards creating these digital therapeutics, creating apps that are going to help people not just diagnose, screen, but also monitor their diseases, see how the prognosis are happening, and see if the treatments that they are taking are actually working for them. It's a day and age of customization and personalization.
When people look at health and health of the individual, health of the community, and health of the nation as an outcome, then I think this silo partnership will move out and there will be integrated collaborative partnerships that actually look at the whole nation achieving a health outcome that's beneficial to all, whether it's a business goal or whether it's a personal goal as a person who has that particular disease and who wants a good outcome.